Hello students, welcome to Sadhu Biology. Our today's topic is chloroplast. As you can see in the diagram, the chloroplast is double membrane bounded cell organelle, and this is the outer membrane of the chloroplast, and this is the inner membrane of the chloroplast. The chloroplast contain a gel-like substance filled, and this gel-like substance is called stroma. In the chloroplast, a naked circular DNA is found. It is a primitive nature of DNA, that is, it is not covered by nuclear membrane, and it is not bound with histone protein. In chloroplast, there are these coin-like structure. As you can see, these coin-like structures are called thylakoid, and these thylakoid form stacks in chloroplast. The stack of thylakoid is called granum. Singular is granum, and the plural for this term is grana. These thylakoid are interconnected by these lamellae, and these lamellae are known as stromal lamellae. Stromal lamellae are also called as fret channels. In the chloroplast, photosynthesis takes place. As you all know, the photosynthesis occurs in two phases, in two stages, and in this part, which is known as stroma, the dark reaction occur, and on the thylakoid, light reaction occur.